Izibalo zobugebengu sijwayele ukudweba isithombe singesihle ngokuthotshelwa komthetho kulelizwe. Kodwa ke kulokhu lezi balo zehle kakhulu phakathi kukaMbasa kanye noNhlangulana wanonyaka. Amacala okubulala ehle ngo-35.8%. Izigameko zokudlengula zehle ngo-40.4%, kanti iningi lalamacala lenzeka ezindaweni ezihlala izisulu noma abenzi bobubi. Izinga lokuduna kwezimoto lehle ngo-41.2%. Ungqongqoshe wamaphoyisa ubheka icele uthi ukwehla kwalezi balo kudalwe ukusatshalaliswa kwamaphoyisa kanye nokuvalwa kokudayiswa kotshwala.
There was a reduction of intake in the hospitals. That reduction comes from the less injured people, come from the less GBH, come from the less attempted murder, because those people would have been if there was an extra alcohol on that matter. So blaming it alone, it doesn't help, but we'll have to work going forward how do we utilize alcohol ourselves as South Africans.
Ucele umemezele nokuthi phakathi kwakhe uMbasa kanye noNhlangulana kuneyinkulungwane zamaphoyisa ezihaqwe ubhubhane lwesifo iCovid-19. Bangaphezulu kwezinkulungwane ezingama-300 abantu abakhalelwe ngamasongo kaSigonyela bathweswa namacala okwephula imithetho ye-lockdown, kanti abangaphezulu kuka-180,000 kulabo badedelwe ngeziqayiso bangaginqiswa zithupha.